Hey guys, so yesterday I filmed a full video and today I deleted it by accident. So I've spent about an hour and a half trying to recover it. It's just not happening, so we're gonna refilm it. I apologise, it's annoying. I don't have the box anymore. I don't have the packaging. It stressed me out, trust me, but we're just gonna go with it because I really wanted to show you guys and I feel like you'll like it. So today I am gonna show you what was in the P.Louise mystery box. So if you've not heard of P.Louise before, it's mainly makeup, but they do some skincare and a few other bits too. It was actually one of you guys who mentioned P.Louise to me quite a while ago because I love grape things and they do like a grape lip set. So I did buy that, and I also bought like 9 other flavours since because I absolutely love them. So the boxes, you can either buy a one-off box or you can get it monthly. I just got the one-off box. It was £30 and £1 postage. I'm not sure if they post it to other countries or not, but I'll try and find out and put it down below in the description if they do. P.Louise put on their Instagram that the September box was gonna have like a Halloween palette in it, which is why I bought it. So there was 2 different options. There was a pink one and a black one. The pink one was filled with like oranges, reds, greens, that kind of thing, and the black one was filled with more smoky colours, blues, purples, stuff like that. So I am definitely more of the pink box colours, but I was hoping I got the black box because I have less of those, and that is what I got. So this is the first item that was in it. It's called a droplet of magic, and this is obviously like the bigger thing in the box. Even the outer packaging is so pretty with like the cobwebs and stuff. And then I will show you what the palette looks like. So this is the palette. It looks like a little book, and it does actually have a real lock on the front here. I probably won't keep that on because I feel like it's a bit annoying to open every time I want to use it, but it is super pretty though. And I will show you what it looks like inside. So that is what our little heart lock looks like. And then this is the palette. So it opens up 2 ways. It opens from the front first. It does have a mirror, but I'll try and avoid that on the camera. And this is what one side looks like. It is so pretty. Some of the sparkliest colours I've literally ever seen. We've got more of like greys and whites and blacks and stuff up here, and then more bluey, some greens as well down here. So that is the front side. And then it also opens from the back, and that is what the back looks like. Again, absolutely amazing. Lots of purples and like goldy reds and stuff. I just think it's so pretty. I swatched this one yesterday in the video, so I'll swatch it again because it looks insane. They are literally just such metallic, buttery colours. Absolutely love them. So that was the like main item that we got in the box, the Halloween palette. I'll show you what this looks like on my hand because I've got to wipe it somewhere, but like they are literally so pigmented, so shiny. Hopefully that's showing up. But yeah, crazy colours. And then we've got 2 more things. So I feel like they shouldn't have really shown everything that was coming in the box and maybe kept 1 or 2 things a secret, but they did show everything. So I knew that we were getting this, and it's a Drive Me Balmy lip set. So this is one of their newest items. I'm very happy that I got strawberry because the options were like banana, watermelon, strawberry, and some other ones, and I really didn't want those ones. So strawberry is great to me. It comes with 2 different things in here, like this. So we've got a Balmy For You little lip balm, which is a love heart shape, and you push the end of it to push it up, which is really cute. And then we've also got a Balmy For You lip balm in Strawberry Fields, and this one is really thick. You've got to really squidge the tube hard to get some out of here. I also don't love the taste of this one because it's got menthol in it, so it's kind of a little spicy, but that is our two little lip balms in the Drive Me Balmy set. And then the last thing in here was a Repair from 2022 Repair Lotion. So this is kind of like a moisturizer, I guess, or a serum. It's quite like thin and milky. But I tried this last night and it's really nice. It does have a perfume to it, which I don't love. I kind of wish it was unscented for skin. It's a little like florally, but I didn't have any breakouts, not yet anyway. So I will definitely keep trying and see how that goes. So yeah, that was everything in the P.Louise mystery box for September. I apologise that you don't even get to see the box because I'm an idiot and deleted it. But I hope you liked it anyway. You can buy all of these singly, so you don't have to get the box if you want any of them. This palette and the pink palette, I think they're £36 each. These lip kits are very expensive. I think these are £22 each, but you can get 3 of them for £25, so I don't know why you wouldn't do that. And then this I think is about £18, so it definitely worked out good to get the £30 box. I would definitely recommend. They do show on Instagram sort of what you're getting in the next month's box usually, so if this is of an interest to you, then I would follow them on Instagram. I'll put all of their information down below in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.